Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use MetaTrader 5 on PC. All right, let's begin. First, open MetaTrader 5 on your computer and log into your account. To do this, click on File in the top left corner and then select Open an Account. In the search field, type the name of your broker. If you are only using a demo account, you can select the MetaQuote server instead. Click Find Company, choose your broker from the list, and click Next. From here, you can either open a demo account, open a real account, or connect with an existing account. If you already have an account, select Connect with an existing account. Enter your login ID and password. Choose the correct server for your account type and click Finish. Once the platform connects successfully, you will be logged in and ready to start using MetaTrader 5. After logging in, you may notice several windows open on the screen. If the workspace looks cluttered, you can close any unnecessary windows. The Market Watch panel is especially important because it displays available trading symbols. If you ever remove a panel accidentally, you can restore it by clicking View at the top menu and selecting the panel you want. It is also helpful to learn the keyboard shortcuts for these tools so you can access them quickly. Next, let's open a chart for a specific trading symbol. Click the Chart drop-down button on the toolbar and select one of the symbols you want to view. You can also browse different categories such as currencies, metals, or indices. If you already see the symbol inside the Market Watch panel, simply right-click it and choose Chart Window. This will instantly open a chart for that instrument. If you want to simplify your Market Watch list, you can right-click inside the panel and select Hide All. This removes all symbols from the list. To restore them, right-click again and choose Show All. If you only want a specific symbol, click the plus icon and type the name of the asset you want to trade. The platform will display matching symbols that you can add to your list. Now let's customize the appearance of a chart. Right-click anywhere on the chart to open the settings menu. Here, you can change the chart type between candlesticks, bar charts, or line charts, and switch between different time frames, such as 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 1 hour. You can also remove the grid, add it back, or access additional chart options. For deeper customization, click Properties from the Chart menu. In the Colors tab, you can adjust the colors of the background, candlesticks, grid lines, and other visual elements. This helps you create a layout that is easier to read. In the Show tab, you can enable additional chart details, such as the Ask Price line, period separators, or other chart markers. Once you finish adjusting the settings, click OK to apply the changes. Another useful feature in MetaTrader 5 is chart templates. After customizing your chart, you can save the layout so you can quickly apply it to other charts later. Right-click on the chart, select Templates, and then choose Save Template. Give the template a memorable name and click Save. Now, when you open a new symbol chart, you can right-click on that chart, go to Templates, and select the template you saved. This instantly applies the same layout and settings to the new chart, saving you time when setting up your trading workspace. You can also place trades directly from the Market Watch panel. Simply right-click on a symbol and select New Order. This opens the order window where you can configure your trade. In this window, you can set your trade size, stop loss, and take profit levels. Once everything is set, you can execute the trade by clicking Buy or Sell. MetaTrader 5 also allows you to add technical indicators to your charts. To do this, click Insert from the top menu and navigate to Indicators. From there, choose the indicator you want, such as moving averages or oscillators. After selecting an indicator, adjust its parameters and click OK to add it to the chart. In addition to indicators, the platform includes several drawing tools that help with chart analysis. These tools are located on the top toolbar. You can draw vertical lines, horizontal lines, trend lines, and other objects directly onto the chart. These drawings help mark important price levels, trends, and potential trading setups. By learning how to log in, open charts, customize layouts, apply templates, place orders, and use indicators and drawing tools, you can quickly become comfortable using MetaTrader 5 on your PC. So that's basically how you can use MetaTrader 5 on PC. That's it for this video. Thanks.